back at it again with another episode. Here we are outside of Best Buy. Can I get some goodies, give you guys some better content? Yeah. So, bam, guys, here it is. Just picked up the DJI Mini 2. We'll be having some fun with this bad boy today. I'm going to go ahead and head on over to the shop, put it on the charger, and let's get some footage in. Maybe get some O.B.S. on the video, some trucks. And yeah, guys, if you haven't already liked and subscribed, you already know what to do. Go hit that notifications bell, click it on, subscribe, like, share, repost. Don't forget to enter the free giveaway 15x10 baby billets that we're giving away. Go shop now at obscartel.com. Every $10 you waste is 3 entries. You know, we want to give them away, guys. So every $10 you waste is 3 entries. You get some free pair of 15x10 baby billets for your O.B.S. in their Chevy lug pattern. It will be shipped to your door. I'll be posting a picture right now. These are the wheels. So yeah, guys, go ahead and shop there now. Let's get that giveaway out the way so we can go on over to some bigger things. We're doing good. Appreciate all you guys' support. Let's go. We're here. Made it to the shop. Got the drone. Yeah, buddy. El compa Jose right there getting down with the GoPro. Alright, guys. So I don't know what the proper way to open up this box is because it looks like everything's so sealed. So, ¿dónde la shank?
The prison shank.
Where's the prison shank? Oh, guys, gotta get the prison shank. Looks like a prison shank cut. Why not? So I guess right here, you know what I'm saying? You see the little opening? Vamos a meter aquí la little. Smooth like butter, baby. One more. Oh, guys, it's dangerous. Do not ever record and cut something same time because va mucho el pinche dedo. Let's see. Does it open over here? Does it open over here? Okay. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, buddy. Alright, guys, first make sure que te cerrado no vayan a sacar y ¡zasco! Hasta el piso. Okay, so far, here's the unboxing of the drone. That's alright. Man. Come to Papa. Damn, this thing is small.
That's what she said.
Mira? Look, compared to a regular size screwdriver, guys, look how small this drone is. That's better. Look at that. Alright, let's see. It says, I guess you gotta pull all this shit off. ¡Sas! Que se te caiga. I'm assuming this goes.
That's an alarm going off.
Sounds like noise here. ¿Qué andan haciendo ahí? Saca, we had an alarm going off, so. Saca el cuerno, güey, saca el cuerno. Another beautiful day here at the Truck Zone shop. Truck Zone, O.B.S. Cartel, Retro Wheels. Aquí son tres compañías bajo un techo. Ya saben quiénes somos. Great kids. Alright. So alright, guys, so I'm gonna put this thing on a charger. Let me finish unboxing all the little accessories it comes with. I'll show you real quick. I bought the Fly More. Oh, pinche hija pendeja. Oh yeah, Fly More combo. Ya le iba a caer a pedos. So it has a little extra batteries. And this is a remote. That's another Best Buy pito. Hey, you with the little bag, come here. Who, me? Yeah, you bitch with the little bag. Me le saqué las pinches Desert Eagle a ver. Oh shit, hold on, I pedo. So this is the remote. Man, the freaking remote's bigger than the drone itself. Look at that. Oh man. Sport mode, normal mode, scenic mode. Ah, la verga.
Sport mode.
Yeah. So it flies faster.
No,
Sport scene is like real slow, like badass scene. Alright guys, so they told me to meet them over there. They got ahead of me. I was taking care of some business. And we're gonna go ahead and fly the drone. Go out there by the grass, flying it. Let's see what they got going. Huh?
You could eat McDonald's.
There, I approved it because you can find some areas, but I got the code sent to me. Look.
So little drone. I thought so. Let's go ahead and see what this baby bad boy can do.